Welcome to VAS Online, the Virginia Association of Surveyors resource for professional development hours, continuing education units, and other AEC and survey related training. This video is going to provide a brief overview of the site and the store and show you how to purchase your training and as well as navigate and use the training course and take the assessment. The first place you'll start is the store. So if you go to vassurveyors.retrieve.com/store, you'll be taken to the page that you see here. On this page at the very top, there is what's called My Guides. That will be your library of where you will eventually access the content that you purchase. The store obviously is where you're going to purchase your content, and you can also access your guides from this site or this page as well. Over to the right, you'll see there's a login as well as a search and a cart. When you log in, if you already have an account, you can log in using any of these sites, whether you're using your Google credentials, LinkedIn credentials, Facebook, Microsoft, or even just regular email and password, as well as if you don't have an account, you can create an account here. When we go through the purchasing, you'll be able to create that account there as well. Below the banner, you will see some links back to the VAS website, Facebook page, X, and LinkedIn. Below that, you will see the first thing is gift cards. So what gift cards allow you to do is purchase a gift card that you can give to a colleague or an employee. You can use them as giveaways, and these gift cards can be applied to any of the Virginia Association of Surveyors created content, which you'll see here on the PDH and CEU units category. When you click on, let's say, a gift card based on the denomination that you want to purchase, whether it's 10, 25, that goes up to 500. So if you go below the gift cards, you can see here there's 50, 100, 250, and 500. When you purchase the gift card, you just click on Buy Now, enter in your credit card and payment information, and you can use I believe you can use PayPal and Venmo as well. If you want to gift this to a individual, you can purchase as a gift, and you'll enter in the recipient's email, who it's from, and a message if you wish. On the store, going back to the store, to purchase a guide, you click on Buy Now. Same thing, if you're not already signed in, you would sign in using one of these credential methods, and then you'll be taken through the checkout. So if you don't have an account at this stage, you'll create an account, and then you will go through the checkout process. If you have a coupon or a gift card, you will apply it through that checkout process at that time. Once you purchase a guide, you will see that on the store, instead of it saying Buy Now, it says Open Guide. You can also get to your guides simply by clicking on My Guides over here, and the guide will be in your library under the category that it was purchased. If I open up this particular guide, you can see here, if I was to purchase this or purchase it as a gift, same thing applies. I enter in the recipient's email, who it's from, and then the message. I'm going to go ahead and open the guide. And in the guide, you will be taken to where you last left off. Unless it's the first time you've opened it up, you'll probably be taken to this particular view. From this view, you'll click Content, or you can search the guide. All the information in the guide is completely searchable, and you can use audio to search the guide. If I click on Content, you'll see that it opens up the guide, and you'll see over on the left, you'll see chapters and pages, depending on how the author has created the guide. In this particular case, this is an hour and 50-minute video or training course, and you can see that it's all been indexed down. So if I want to go to a particular spot within the video, I simply click on that time clip, and it will take me to that particular spot. Below the video, there's some other search capabilities like the time clips. There is the text, which is the transcript of the audio, as well as the ability to ask a question. So if you can enter in a question by typing it or asking it verbally, and the AI generation will come back with an answer based on the content in the video and your question. This can also be translated to multiple languages. And then once you're done watching the course, at the bottom you'll see the complete the PDHCU assessment, and you'll click on that. And before you take it, it'll say take the assessment, but you'll have to pay for that assessment unless you have a coupon or gift card. And you'll put in your payment and you'll be taken to the test. Once you complete the test, you'll see that you can download the certificate, you can review your answers, and if you have questions, you can submit them to the instructor. This is a preview of what your certificate would look like. It's got a unique ID, so you can apply it to your learning management system for continuing education credit. At any time, you can click on advice and submit a question into the platform, and the author will respond using a video, audio, or even a text message back to you. Once you're done and you want to go back to another guide, you can click on My Guides and go access other guides, or go back to the store and purchase new content. If you have any questions, we're more than happy to help. Just submit an email or a question to us, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.